gentlemen, we'd like to extend a special welcome to our OnePass members this evening. If you're not already a member of our award-winning frequent flyer program, you may enroll online at continental.com or with a representative upon our arrival in Newark. I'd like to draw your attention to the fasten seatbelt sign. We do kindly request that you please remain seated while the sign does remain on this evening, even though you're going to be seeing crew members move throughout the cabin shortly. And once again, at all times while seated, please keep your seatbelt at least loosely fastened about you. Aircraft and traffic aboard has 2 lavatories located at the rear section of the aircraft for our main cabin customers. Additionally, there is a lavatory in the first class cabin for the exclusive use of our first class customers, please. As we've leveled off this evening, we'll get through our cabin with our beverage and dinner service. As always, meals are complimentary on Continental, with the exception of beer, wine, margaritas, and mixed drinks, which are always available for $5. All we ask now is just sit back, relax, and enjoy the next 3 hours and 30 minutes.